In this video, I will show you how to hide a folder in Windows 10. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my desktop. Now this is a folder here called hidden that we're going to use as an example. To go ahead and hide this folder, it's really easy to do. All you need to do is right click onto the folder, and then on this menu you want to come down and click onto properties. So that's going to go ahead and open up the properties window, and you want to make sure you're on general, so this tab at the top. If you come down to the attribute section down here, you can see a option for hidden. So all you want to do is tick the box, then make sure to click apply, and then OK. So as you can see, the folder has now disappeared and it is now hidden on the desktop. So to go ahead and actually see this folder and get it back, all you want to do is come down to your taskbar and you want to go across to your File Explorer option, right click and then click onto File Explorer, so just here. That's going to open up your File Explorer window. You can see we can't see the hidden folder, but if you come up to the top and you press onto View, and what you're going to do is come over to the right, this is going to open up a toolbar and you can see the hidden items option here. So all you want to do is tick this box, and now as you can see, we can see the hidden folder down here. It's reappeared on our desktop, and you can tell this is a hidden folder because the actual icon is transparent. So that is how to go ahead and hide a folder in Windows 10. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.